Plant FAQs. Begonia snow-capped. Begonia snow-capped. Frequently asked questions. Hi, Ferbvu here. Begonia snow-capped is a captivating houseplant known for its stunning foliage and delicate blooms. It's a popular choice for its easygoing nature and unique beauty. If you're considering adding this begonia to your collection, here are some answers to commonly asked questions. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Begonia snow-capped special? The Begonia snow-capped boasts stunning visual interest. Its medium green, oval-shaped leaves are adorned with an abundance of white speckles, creating a mesmerizing snow-capped effect. This vibrant foliage is further complemented by clusters of delicate, rose-pink flowers that cascade gracefully from the plant. How easy is it to care for Begonia snow-capped? This begonia is a great choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners. It thrives with minimal fuss and requires moderate care. Here's a quick breakdown. Light. Begonia snow-capped prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Aim for consistently moist soil, but avoid overwatering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. While not strictly required, moderate humidity levels can benefit your begonia. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. How big does Begonia snow-capped get? This begonia is known for its restrained growth habit. With proper care, it can reach a mature size of approximately 12 to 18 inches tall and wide. Does Begonia snow-capped need pruning? Pruning isn't strictly necessary, but it can encourage bushier growth and promote flowering. Pinch off leggy stems or remove spent blooms to maintain a neat and tidy appearance. Is Begonia snow-capped toxic to pets? Unfortunately, yes. Begonia snow-capped, like many begonias, contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating or toxic if ingested by pets or children. It's best to keep this plant out of reach. Can Begonia snow-capped be grown outdoors? While Begonia snow-capped can technically survive outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 10 and 11, it's primarily considered a houseplant. It thrives best in controlled environments with consistent temperatures and protection from harsh weather conditions. What are some common problems with Begonia snow-capped? The most common issues with Begonia snow-capped are overwatering. This can lead to root rot, causing leaves to wilt and drop. Ensure proper drainage and avoid soggy soil. Lack of light. Insufficient light can result in leggy growth and fewer flowers. Provide your begonia with ample bright, indirect light. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally be a problem. Regular inspection and treatment with insecticidal soap or neem oil can help control infestations. How is Begonia snow-capped different from other begonias? There are many stunning begonia varieties, each with unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison of Begonia snow-capped with two popular choices. Begonia rex. Begonia rex is known for its incredibly textured and vibrantly colored foliage. It requires slightly higher humidity levels than Begonia snow-capped and may be a bit trickier to care for. Begonia boliviensis. Begonia boliviensis, also known as angel's wings begonia, boasts large, cascading clusters of pink or white flowers. Its foliage is typically green and lacks the striking white speckles of Begonia snow-capped. Conclusion. Begonia snow-capped is a captivating and easy-to-care-for houseplant that injects a touch of elegance into any space. With its stunning speckled foliage and delicate blooms, it's sure to become a treasured member of your indoor jungle. If you're looking for a low-maintenance beauty with undeniable charm, Begonia snow-capped is an excellent choice.